Hi, hello there. In this lecture, we are going to look at change, what it is, and an overview of how to manage change. Let us see what is change. A simple definition of change is to cause to be different. The idea of change management on a personal level has been studied for more than 100 years, but it is only since the mid-1980s that change management has been explored within the context of business applications. Today, change management initiatives have become a business discipline, driving bottom-line results through changes in systems and behaviors. Managing change has therefore become a critical skill, both for leadership and for workers in an organization. Why change occurs and why it matters.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, click the link below in the description box.